busiest street in Khaosan Road. Oh my god, it's so loud here. I came to celebrate the Songkran festival together with the locals here. It is Thailand New Year. So they celebrate and they splash water on you. It doesn't matter who you are, what you're doing, they splash water on you. So I have to buy a water gun, guys. So the reason for them splashing water is to wash away your sins, the bad lucks and everything, preparing you into the new year. And I just want to experience it and have a great time today. I'm taking you guys along with me. Let's explore this festival. Let's have a good time and experience it and see what happens here. So I'm about to go into the busiest street. Expect a lot of water splashing on my camera. It is going to be chaos. I'm ready for it. I hope you're ready. Let's go. I have to get a water gun, guys, because I don't have one and I feel like they're just going to splash me with water any minute. Wow, it's such a beautiful experience already. The vibes, everyone is happy. It's crowded, too much traffic. Everybody is ready to have fun. I'm gonna get a water gun, guys. I'm getting this cute yellow and red water gun. Woohoo! I have my water gun, guys. It's about to get wild, mercy, and let's go. Wow, this is crazy, guys. Just before I could do anything, I already have water on me. Wow. Beautiful experience. Stalls where you can refill this water gun, and it's 10 baht to refill. So don't worry about your water being done, you can refill. Let's keep going. Hi guys, so I literally just got home. Look at me. From the festival. Guys, this has been the most beautiful, best experience of my life. The festival was so much fun. Everyone was happy, nobody getting offended by the water splash, nothing of that sort. So guys, do make sure that when you're in Thailand, you experience the Songkran. Oh my god, I really enjoyed myself. Definitely this is the best experience I've had since my travel journeys. But anyway guys, see you on my next video, and I am so tired. I need to take a hot shower. But anyway guys, I really had a great time. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you on my next video, my lovelies. From me today, it's all what? Toodles, toodles.
La verdad no fue el culpable. Todo tiene un propósito y dejarme será solo uno más. Siempre a medias no he logrado encontrar mi otra mitad. El tiempo dirá.